If you want to create a digital product but have no idea how, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can create a digital product in Canva that people are already buying. No design skills, no expensive software, and you can start with a free Canva account. Hi, I'm Kat. I'm building a digital product side hustle alongside a full-time job and a busy mom life. If that's your jam, please follow this channel and welcome to the community. I am not a guru, I'm a guide. I'm sharing everything I'm learning so you can start smarter than I did. Let's jump in. Before I create anything, I want proof that people are already spending money on it. This is one of the biggest lessons I've learned. Most beginners create first and research later. I do the opposite. Let's validate our idea before we spend time making it. The digital product idea that I want to create today is the kids affirmation cards. So I went here on Etsy and I found multiple shops selling these printables, and few of them has popular badges and bestseller badges. I found this shop with a bestseller badge, and I also checked on the reviews. There are 5-star reviews and they're very recent, and also notice it's currently in 14 cards right now. So the proof is right here that people are clearly purchasing them. People are already spending money on products like this. So it's very important that you don't guess what sells. Let the market tell you. Once I see demand, that's what I move to the creation process. Let's do this. So let's create the kids affirmation. So you can absolutely write this yourself, but because most of us are busy, I'm going to speed things up and ask the help of AI. I asked ChatGPT to generate 50 kid-friendly affirmations using simple language children can easily understand. I'll put the exact prompts in the description below so you can copy it if you'd like. And that's it. 50 affirmations are ready to use in seconds. Now let's bring these affirmations to Canva so we can start creating affirmation cards. So from here, oh, by the way, you can definitely use the free Canva account since this will be a printable, but if you will sell this as a template, you will definitely need a pro subscription. From here, let's go to create and then to customize size. I did some research and found out that the standard affirmation cards are 3.5 by 5 inches. Let's go and create the design. For this product, I'm keeping everything simple, kid-friendly font, and a clean design that's easy to read. I will keep the same layout for every card, same font, same color, same style. The only thing that changes is the affirmation. I'll go ahead and speed up the video and you can watch me while I create this product. All right, I think it's cute. If you're thinking this looks too simple, I used to think the same thing, but one thing I've learned is that simple products often perform the complicated ones. You're probably saying that's a lot of work for copying and pasting all of these 50 affirmations. Here's a huge time saver. If you are using a Canva Pro, you can use a feature called bulk create. Let me show you how you can speed this process really fast. Let's go to the bulk create. If you can't find it on your left pane, you can search it from the apps section. So just copy all of it and let's go back to Canva. And you can enter the data manually. Let's go ahead and delete this part. We don't need that. And let's just paste all of that and just hit done. And then we are going to connect all those affirmations. So from here, you just click this text placeholder and then click connect data. Just click that one. That is the column where we pasted all of the affirmations, as you can see here, and then hit continue. And then create 50 designs. And now let's click view design. And there you go. All of the affirmations created for you by Canva and the help of ChatGPT. Now you can definitely add more elements from the elements tab, or just keep it simple, because again, simple sells. Now we're finished creating the affirmations. Let's download these files and let's save it in a folder. Download it as PNG or JPEG. I uploaded all the images back to Canva. This time we are going to create the printable, so when the parents receive this digital product, they can just print it themselves and cut it. And then let's go ahead and put all of this to this grid. You're just going to do the same process until you finish uploading all of these affirmations. And once you are done, go ahead and download. Now you can download this as a PDF, and we are done with our digital product. This PDF is what your customer will instantly receive once they purchase your digital product. Before we list our digital product on Etsy, it's very important that you create mockups. Now let's go to Etsy and let me show you how you can list it. We are now here on Etsy and we are in the process of listing this digital product. I uploaded the pictures from Canva. I will definitely add more before I publish it. If you're not sure what else to put in here, that's why research is important. You can get inspirations or see how other stores are putting in pictures or descriptions of their digital product and get an idea on what should be on your listing. And of course, fill in all the important informations and details that Etsy needs. The titles and descriptions, I already filled it out, and of course I asked the help of ChatGPT. And the tags, I will add more 6 left. I price it close to the one I saw earlier, putting it a little bit closer to the lower price range, so it's easier for me to get more sales. Once I get more traction, then that's when you can start adding more price. And then once you're done, just hit publish. One of the reasons I love creating and selling digital product is because you create them once and you sell them forever. No packaging, no shipping, no inventory. But of course, I want to mention that one product can't change your life overnight. This is definitely a not get rich quick, but a collection of products can become a real addition income stream over time. And that's my process from doing research, validating my idea, making sure that there's a demand, to creating the product and listing it on Etsy. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this: the secret is not Canva. Canva is the easy part. The real skill is finding what people want, finding what is the demand. When you start with demand, you're no longer guessing. You're creating with data instead of hope, and definitely that's a better place to start. If you like digital product ideas, I've put in a free resource in the description below with 50 digital product ideas that people are already buying. If starting from scratch feels overwhelming and you simply want to start your digital product side hustle, check out the bundle link below. I've already done a lot of work for you. So instead of spending hours creating everything from the ground up, you can customize the designs, Make them your own and get started much quicker. Use code DPCAT at checkout to save 25% off. In my next video, I'm stepping up to a higher price product. I found a wedding invitation suit bundle is selling on Etsy, and I'm going to show you exactly how I would create it on Canva. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. If this video helped you, please give it a like, or if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.